How a real estate agent can make $100,000 a year using Facebook ads. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. For me, breaking down the exact strategy that you can do as a real estate agent in order to make $100,000 just from Facebook ads alone. I know this works because me and my team have been battle testing this Facebook strategy, and we've definitely been able to see massive returns from our Facebook ads. And the ads that I'm going to be sharing in particular are working extremely well even in this softer market, because we personally believe this is the only target audience that is actually going to be looking to make real estate moves with these high interest rate times and the market being a lot slower. So if you're someone that is looking to grow your business with Facebook ads and would like my team to take over your Facebook advertising, go to the description below and fill out that form. And if you end up being a right fit, we'll reach out. But for someone, if they want to take it to the next level and they're a real estate agent that's doing around 10 deals a year, but you're just not quite being able to hit that 20-30 deal mark, well, then you're going to want to partner with us. So if you're someone that wants to partner with me and my team and grow your real estate business and see firsthand what we're doing, go to the description. There's going to be a link to my Calendly there. Book a call with me and we can unpack exactly what it looks like to partner with us to increase your real estate sales. So let's dive into this $100,000 strategy as a real estate agent. First, I just want to unpack that a lot of people shy away from online marketing because they think they have to have massive budget spend in order to get a lot of lead generation from it. When really on Facebook, we're getting a very good cost per lead where we're seeing these massive returns of about 10 to 1. So if you spend $1,000 on Facebook ads a month, you're going to be making $10,000 in return from it. Really, this is an amazing thing as a real estate agent, no matter your experience level, in order for you to put some marketing into your business and make that 10 to 1 return is absolutely phenomenal. So for the people that think you have to have a massive budget starting out on Facebook, you really don't. You can run these campaigns with only spending $350 to $500 each and every month and still be able to make massive returns. And at the end, I'm going to be sharing how these ads that we've set up are a double whammy. So really targeting this audience is actually targeted towards seller ads. These are the only type of seller ads that I've been able to find that actually work, and they always translate into another buy in terms of this type of audience. So you're literally getting 2 sales from one doing this lead generation strategy. So breaking down the business, find out what your average sale is in your market in order to make $100,000. So in my market, it is around $12,000. So you're going to have to do around 8 to 9 deals a year in order to make $100,000 in my personal market. So step 1, figure out exactly what your average commission is on a per deal basis on what you need to do to make $100,000. The next part is with these type of leads, because you're getting a 2-for-1, you don't have to generate as many as you would normally. So even having that, say, 1 in 100 conversion, where every 100 leads you bring in, you get 1 sale. On this ratio, you're getting 2 sales from the 1 listing because they're going to end up buying. You're literally converting at a 1 to 50 ratio here. But the secret for Facebook ads is after you set up the ad creative and get your ads going, it's actually the follow-up system. So this is what converts these leads and what we do. So if you're someone that's actually struggling to convert these leads and you're currently doing Facebook ads, well then you're going to want to fill out that form in the description, because I'll be able to help you out with your Facebook marketing, because I'll show you the exact systems that we used in order to convert these leads better than anyone else. So what type of Facebook ads am I talking about? These are going to be downsizer ads. So specifically, we've designed this bulletproof downsizer ad that's targeting to people looking to downsize their home. In a lot of cases in my market, every single person that was looking to downsize on average had about $1 million listing that they were looking to sell. That means that they're also going to be buying a similar property in this range. So just from that downsizing ad right there, our team's potentially going to make between around $30,000 to $35,000 per one of these leads, because when we sell their listing and they buy. I've broken down this lead source on my channel here, so you can go through. I'll link the downsizing ad right there so you can follow it step by step right here in the top hand corner in order for you to see exactly what we do there. But these leads are absolutely amazing. So our plan for our team to take on more listings and get more sales is we're hammering this type of Facebook ads for the next 6 months until the spring market comes along. And we're going to be able to collect over 200 people that give us their address and say they're potentially going to be listing in the spring, only spending a small amount of budget each and every day. If we convert those leads at a 10% ratio, once we get in contact with them, for all the 200 that say that they don't have a real estate agent because they're downsizing, they haven't talked to their realtor in 20 years who sold them the home, they're pretty much like a layup getting in there in order to converting them, because they don't seek other people, they listen to what you have to say. So if we can get out of those 200, 20 people in order to list and sell their homes with us at spring, that translates to 40 deals just into our business alone from doing these type of ads. If you're someone that's really curious and wants help from my team setting up these ads so you can get ready to absolutely dominate your market for this spring and have a ton of listings, well then go in the description, fill out that form, and we'll reach out to you if you're the right fit. But if you're someone that wants to take a step further and you would like to partner with me and my team and really have us evolve your business and make sure you actually hit your real estate goals, well then go to the Calendly link and book a call with me.